Well, my name is Jimmy Rodriguez. I've been here for 31 years. I'm a warehouseman here at Western Tube. I was looking for a job fresh out of high school, and it just so happened that I landed here, and I liked it from the beginning, and I stayed here. I look around when I see tubing, and I look for our name, and yeah, I've seen them everywhere. It's a good job. It's a job to keep, you know. You want to be here. It's a good place to work for. We need jobs like this around here, you know. Everybody's going out of the country and stuff, so we just need to keep it here in America. That's what we need.